In this video, I will give you a short update about the Isaac Academy, which is a school to learn the different Zoho applications, including deluge scripting. We started in January 2022 with bundles and subscriptions, and now we are ready also with individual courses. As you can see on the screen, we have one bundle which includes all our courses, and also it includes 1 year of Q&A sessions, live Q&A sessions. And also the loose scripting and all the other courses are also here, and you can buy them as individual courses. On the top you will see also that we have the Q&A as an individual course that you can basically buy. And those Q&A sessions are live weekly sessions that you can purchase. If you are an existing student that purchased any of our courses in the past 4 years, you are eligible for 50% off for the Q&A sessions. As for all the other courses that we have, you're eligible for 30% discount as long as you purchased any course from us. Okay, so 30% off for any existing student, and for the Q&A it's 50% off for any existing student. That's it, short update. Thank you for watching.